My YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to connect Power BI with the Azure Databricks. So guys, if you want to connect your connect your Power BI with the Azure Databricks, so guys, you just use, first of all guys, setting up Azure Databricks for the connectivity. So guys, navigate to your Azure Databricks workspace in the Azure portal and create a new personal access token for the authentication under the user setting. Then ensure your Databricks cluster is running and accessible. Then verify your network security group and allow your Power BI access. After that, installing ODBC driver and Power BI connector. So download and install the latest Databricks ODBC driver on your machine and ensure your Power BI desktop is up to date to the latest version. The native Power BI Databricks connector is usually built in. After that, connecting the Power BI with the Azure Databricks. So open your Power BI desktop on your computer. Click Data, Get Data from the Home ribbon. Search for the Databrick and select the Azure Databricks. Enter your server host name and HTTP path from the Databricks. Choose Personal Access Token as the authentication method and paste your Databricks path. Another thing is guys, importing and querying your data. In the navigator window, expand your Databricks catalog and the schema. Select the table or the view you want to import and choose the import from the smaller database. Click the option of a load to bring the data in the Power BI. Alternatively, use the advanced editor to write custom SQL query. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.